Before I get into the video, guys, I want to thank everyone who actually supported the page, who subscribe. We are grateful for reaching 1,000 subscribers. And to those Bafethu who have been criticizing on the comments, Nani Siyanbonga, thank you to those who are also criticizing negatively. So Bafethu iqhubeka attention laphana ngengoma kaMpumi, because Mpumi left a demo laphana Genesis. So the last episode, Maruna said she was the one who actually wants to take the song. She wants to spice the song up and make it hers. But now I see greed laphana kuMaruna, because kuyabonakala bafethu ukuthi le ngoma lena eculwe uMpumi eyakhe uWendy was given by Umuzi before Umuzi even left her for uFelicia. But now there's actually tension, there's arguments laphana ukuthi who's gonna take the song, you understand? And ngalena ke futhi uWendy yasho ukuthi the song is supposed to be their daily bread and butter. The song was supposed to make Wendy blow up and was supposed to actually feed the family. But Wendy decided not to actually continue with the song because she was the one who actually said the song is a curse. uFelicia does not know what to do with Ubongo anymore. Because Umsizi went to Uthandi to sing everything and told Uthandi ukuthi Ubongo was behind the leakage, of which Umsizi lied to Uthandi because Ubongo wasn't the person who was behind the leakage, but it was Gabriel Nayo Umsizi who were behind the leakage because they were working with each other, they were working together, assisting each other to actually backlash or sabotage Genesis. Manje ke uyamtshela uFelicia lapho ukuthi uThandi ufikile laphana wazosho ukuthi Umsizi is 100% sure that Ubongo was involved in the leakage of Dithapelo Marona's album. You understand? So manje uFelicia ke utheni ugesi izandla. She is tired. She doesn't know what to do anymore. She is tired of the drama, and then she left Bongo like that. Ngalena ke bafethu uWendy is saying that le ngoma lena le is a curse. And it's breaking her heart. Ukuthi Mpumi continued to actually sing the song out and made a demo about that song. Even though actually Mpumi ukuthi that song shouldn't be released. Kwakumele kube ingoma kaWendy because uWendy got the song and was written by Umuzi for uWendy. You understand? So manje Maruna is telling Mpumi ukuthi she has a dirty heart. You understand that? Because ingoma lana iyadlala lapha Genesis, everyone is overjoyed by the song and the producers abanje like the song, but at the same time now Maruna have to step in. They are stepping in and she wants the song to be hers. Now we are sure she wants to actually remix and respice the song. uWendy ke bafethu they has demanded ukuthi ingoma iculwe Maruna. That was a final word. Ngalena ubamfundisi visits umuzi kaFelicia. So Bamfundisi is actually convincing Ishmael to go and apologize to uFelicia for what has happened between Nobuhle naye Ishmael, you understand? So Umfundisi uyasho ukuthi hey, whenever you face uFelicia, you must not look at her, ubheke phansi, you understand? Bheka phansi, don't say anything else but apologize only. Ishmael ke bafethu is obsessed with Nobuhle, but this obsession is gonna get him into danger because ubese khuluma indaba zokuthi he wants to marry uNobuhle, of which shouldn't be the case because now it's bigger than marriage. As much as Ishmael loves Nobuhle, but you can't be speaking about marriage, you understand? So Umfundisi uyikhuzile leyo ukuthi don't go there and speak about love. Keep the love to yourself. You understand? There's no time to speak about love. There is only time to apologize. As you can see, bafethu uFelicia was crashing and wilding out ebatshela ukuthi akafuna ukubona uIshmael ever again. So Bamfundisi had to come through and speak for Ishmael. Nabanibona bafethu Ishmael ubheke phansi ngoba kushiwo ukuthi he must face down, he mustn't look at uFelicia. So why did that when the families were actually fighting at each other, Nobuhle Puma from upstairs, and she was kind of actually delighted to see Ishmael. You can see from the face ukuthi she's kind of romantic with it. But as we continue, guys, Umsizi keeps on playing demo Mpumi, and yeah, man, Ubongo approaches Umsizi, yabona. He confronts Umsizi, and then he tells Umsizi ukuthi he is continuing with this thing of being a snake, taking information, false information about Ubongo and telling Uthandi and the board as a Genesis. So as you guys know, Umsizi went to the staff member, I can say Uthandi, was a Genesis, and told Uthandi everything ukuthi Ubongo is behind the leakage of the album. That's why Genesis singing is actually in the marketing sales. So now Ubongo tells Umsizi ukuthi he knows ukuthi Umsizi is the snake, you understand? He knows Umsizi ukuthi he's the snake. And Umsizi is lying to Bonko, telling him ukuthi, no, he won't rat out to Bonko. He won't rat out to Bonko, you understand? And of course, Bonko now knows ukuthi Umsizi was the one who was actually working with Gabriel. He was the one who was actually teaching out information and spying on the Genesis. Yet he is working under Genesis too. Hey, the family is having like a family meeting. So bagcine sebehlalile phansi ngapho bafundiswa ukuthi this thing that these kids are doing is not good at all, ayikho healthy. It's not good at all. So Bafundisi has asked the couple uNobuhle no Ishmael to break up, to finish the relationship. They must just break up. Ngeshwa ke likhulu ke bafethu uNobuhle had to stand up. She stood on business and actually told uFelicia babumfundisi ukuthi she will never break up with Ishmael. She won't break up with Ishmael. She won't do as they are saying ukuthi bahlukane. That she'll never do. You understand? Ishmael Ishmael is like Standwa Sam. Oh, Felicia went crazy when she heard that. You understand? Because she doesn't want to see Ishmael. She doesn't want to hear anything that's coming from Ishmael's mouth. You understand? So she was wilding. She was shouting at uNobuhle, but still uNobuhle actually continued to defend herself. Eshuguti Ubonko was actually flirting with Owethu and took Owethu to the house and slept with Owethu lapakatabete, but Felicia did not say anything. But when she is the one who is dating, because it's her first time having to date, now it's a problem. So basically uNobuhle is saying that she is treated unfairly by Felicia, because that same treatment Bonko is getting, the soft one, yena she does not get it, you understand? And washo ukuthi wabufundisa kanake ifamily yakhe anganake yabo. And on the other side, guys, I feel like uNandipha always, my favorite mafit also, it's her lunch break lapha emsebenzini. She always wants to get intimate. Ngale mafit also bafethu umisile namhlanje laphana uNandipha mtshela ukuthi they won't be intimate, because every time uNandipha goes through to Mafitoto, it's all about them having to be intimate, nothing else. And Mafitoto feels as if uNandipha wants ukuthi increase i-body count yakhe, of which wasn't the case. So it ended ngokuthi ke uMafitoto asho ukuthi akafuni ukuyuzwa, he doesn't want to be used, you understand? So uNandipha ke left. So the Lovey-Doveys call each other bafethu bayasho yabona ukuthi okay, Ishmael is crediting and applauding uNobuhle for being strong for them and actually speaking out in the young family meeting. You understand that? So they agreed with bazobonana soon, but not now. On the other side, bafethu uThandi yabuya uzotshela uFelicia ukuthi Felicia should have done the immediate suspension long time ago, but she delayed it. So what's going to happen is, or what must happen is, Felicia must fire Ubonko with immediate effect. So Ubonko must be fired that day, today, basically, you understand? Because Ubonko has flopped enough. First, it was the Maruna situation, Ubonko having to sleep with Maruna. Secondly, it's Umsizi. Mind you, Umsizi is actually singing out everything. Ubonko is involved in the leakage of Maruna's album. So mind you, Uthandi is requesting Felicia must fire Ubonko with immediate effect. Madela bafethu Zakaria ke uzelwa umndeni wakhe, the people who are around the community, they still want the ID ka Zakaria and they can't seem to find it. Zakaria ke bafethu is fighting naye uthi ngeke nje uwende azabe rich ngaye, that will never happen. And on the other side bafethu Gabriel visits, I think it was Genesis, so we visit Genesis uhleli lapha no producer Umsizi, they listening to this demo over and over again. And I must say, Gabriel is kind of impressed, regarding what he is hearing, kule voice. But now there's a catch, because Gabriel had to ask who is the one singing that song. So Umsizi had to answer by saying, no, it's another girl who actually came to the studio who did her business and she went. But now this song is a hit and it has to release, you understand? So manje Umsizi uyasho no man, if the song has to release, it needs a proper artist. It needs like an artist who is top notch. I officially think already bazokhetha Maruna. If it happens, I don't know. Or maybe the other artist, they say Revelation, is gonna come through and actually sing the song better and make it a hit. So Bonko no mom wakhe lapho Felicia are under one table, guys. They have a young meeting. Apparently Ubonko bafethu is now fired, officially fired by Genesis. So uFelicia had to issue out a statement, a termination letter to Ubongo ukuthi he is fired because he has done enough damage lapha eGenesis. If you remember well, guys, Ubongo is cheating on Owethu, the person he is supposed to be in a marriage with, but Owethu by manje akakazi. And then the second problem that he is accused of, is him having to leak the album Itapelo Yamarona, of which he did not do it. But abafethu nayibona iletha yabona, so uFelicia had to bring it back kumuzi baba kaBongo ukuthi umuzi did not have anything, but with what he had, he grew eGenesis, and umuzi would have wanted Ubongo to actually uprise or elevate the legacy as a Genesis. But Ubongo, by the looks of it, Ubongo isn't doing exactly what his father had always wished him to do, along with his mom, Lapho Felicia, because Felicia was also expecting the same. But there's too much disappointment, I understand, because Ubongo is trapped into a lot of problems. So Bafethu, as you can see, Ubongo is now fired Lapha Genesis with immediate effect. So guys, let me know what you think is going to happen next on the next episode. Yeah, but don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, boy.